Hello guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel World Info. So today I'm going to tell you that how to check that your email has been pawned or your account has been compromised in a data breach. As you all know that some of the websites have data breach and millions of accounts with email, password and other things are pawned. So today my video is all about that. So let's move towards video. This is the website. As you all know, this is the website. You may check. So I will give a demo. Unique email. Suppose I give my email. So yeah, let's check that it is pawned or not. You see that it is not pawned. Let's check with another email. Let's check. Oh no, it is pawned. You see, it is pawned in 4 breach sites. Also, it provides that which website my email got pawned. It shows that in in July 2018 my account got breached. In Canva, also in Dailymotion, also in PZAP. So yeah, you guys see it. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more interesting video. Thank you.